Okay ba? Hello everyone! Welcome to ABC Graphics and Printing, and this is our very humble and small ABC studio. And for today, eto na. First time natin magvo-vlog talaga at i-cover kung ano yung mga projects na ginagawa natin. Kasi from the very beginning, hindi talaga kami nagvo-vlog or anything. Medyo camera shy kami. So, starting today, itatry natin i-cover yung mga projects na ginagawa natin. So, as you can see in my background, nagpiprint tong Canon G570 ng 30 sets of wedding invitations na kanina lang in-order by the way at pinuntahan pa talaga dito para lang i-make sure that ABC Graphics and Printing is really credible and reliable. Dalawa ang tatapusin nating express orders for this week. Kaya medyo sunod-sunod na to and pinagsasabay-sabay na natin. Kakatapos ko lang mag-layout nung isa. Parehas silang kukunin before the end of the week. Kaya super haggard talaga at knowing na yung mga printers natin ay ditulak, talagang minamanual natin silang isaluksok na ganun para ma-print. So, I'll show you kung bakit ditulak. So, yan. So, ganito na talaga gulo ang studio kapag medyo busy tayo. So, yan, as you can see, di ba nagre-red light siya? Meaning to say, kailangan na natin tong itulak. Hindi na kaya ng feeder. Kasi dito sa ABC Graphics and Printing, we make sure that our papers are high quality when it comes to printing, when it comes to texture. Kaya kahit matte paper siya, makapal talaga. We use 300 GSM matte or glossy paper depending on client's preference. So, yep. Moving on, dalawa yung ginagawa natin. Itong isang to. And the other one is actually an overseas order from Canada. Umuwi yung parents ni Bride this week para lang maghanap ng invitation supplier that could do the same layout as what they provided in the sample. So, medyo na-challenge tayo ng konti kasi super minimalist lang yung gusto ni client. So, ito yung samples na binigay niya. Pero, ang kailangan lang talaga niya dyan ay 2 pages lang talaga. 2 inserts lang. So, from this na sample, ito ang actual layout na ginawa ni ABC. And, yep. So, yeah. Stay tuned. Part 2 tomorrow. Bye!